Hello children, how are you all? How was your FA on paper? Did you find it very easy to answer? I think so because a lot of revision paper I had forwarded. You might have read them properly and so you were in a position to answer them. Okay children, now keep open your textbook. Now we have to continue with the lesson. There's a girl by the tracks. You might have read up to. She was taken to the multi-speciality hospital research center and she was immediately admitted to the ICU because she needed the treatment immediately. And then whatever that at the time the doctor came back and he said that suppose that he had put the sutures for that it was not looked severe, although looked severe, needed very deep wound sutures. Sutures means stitches. Remember, in medical terms for the stitches we use the word sutures. Underline. There would be no lasting damage. That means there was no serious damage. Lasting damage means no serious damage. But Agarwal believes she could have bled to death had nobody helped her. Remember children, she could have been bled to death in case she had not got the help. Who gave the help? Yes, Baleshwar gave the help. When she finally opened her eyes, that night her brother and fiancé were by her side. So the boy had gone out. At night, his brother and the fiancé were there by her side. She could barely speak. That means she could not speak properly, just nodded and fell asleep again. Because of drowsiness, so because of giving that sedate sleeping dose and all those things, so she could just look at them and then could not speak also, just nodded her head and then fell asleep. When Baleshwar came to meet her the next morning, Roma was still partly sedated. On his way, Baleshwar had even revisited the spot where Roma had fallen, looking for her belongings because Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbags were missing. Not far from the spot, a railway employee assured Baleshwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. Now the next morning he comes, but before coming to the hospital, he went to the railway station. And Dinesh had told the cell phone and handbags were missing. So we went over there to search near the track, and the railway employee came over there and assured him, guaranteed him, gave him hope that some of her belongings had been found and have been preserved in the office room. How are you feeling? Baleshwar asked Roma. I am okay. Roma whispered. Remember, Roma whispered that she was okay. That means all right. Remember, she could not say loudly. So, very, very, very mild voice, she said that she was okay. In a few days, Roma made a full recovery. That means after a few days, after a few days, she was completely recovered. That means completely all right. I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar had not been there. Look at the feeling of hers. No? I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar had not been there. She says, amazed to learn of the manner in which she had been rescued. She was told how she was carried by Baleshwar and how she was admitted to the hospital, how the doctor had treated her. All this report she got, and then she was feeling very amazed, surprised. Amazed means surprised to know the manner in which means the way in which she was rescued means saved. I think it's astonishing that a stranger would jump off a train and risk his life for me. I can never repay Baleshwar. Look at that. A stranger. He's a stranger. No, they don't know who he was. A stranger would jump off. Moving train. Remember, he moved. You know that, no? He moved, jumped off from a moving train, got strained, and risked his life. That means he put his life in danger. Risk his life means put his life in danger, and she cannot. She never. That means she cannot repay Baleshwar. That means for that help she could not do. She cannot do anything. And then now he says, I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that people here are afraid, says Baleshwar, who is still looking for a job. They fear getting trapped in the courts and with the police. So that these are the two things underlined. Why the Mumbai Waras did not come to help him? Because they were afraid. Fear means afraid of trapped in courts. Because you know, if you go to court, it would take many months or years like that. And even the police, if you are caught by the police, you know, you should be visiting the police station again and again till the case was over. So that's why the people were frightened to come to help Baleshwar. So why did he do it? She needed help. Baleshwar put it simply. She said, why he did that? Because she needed the help. That day it was Roma, tomorrow it could be you or me by the tracks, bleeding and alone. He says, this thing may happen to any person. To me, that means to him and to others also by the tracks. And bleeding and alone. And suppose he had helped and he would get help again. Isn't it? So he says that he helped her because she needed the help. It was very important. It shows the humanitarian condition or feeling of a person. That is what people should have. Helping nature must be there when people are in difficulties. You just don't look at and move away. You help the people when they are in need. That is the important theme or the gist that you learn from this lesson. Children, remember, helping nature is important to people. If you help, now see COVID period, see I have seen so many groups volunteered to help the people in danger. Haven't you seen them? So like that is the humanitarian feeling or the condition or the mentality people must have in order to help the people in danger. So did you like this lesson? I hope all of you have understood it. Read it again and again so that you will be in a position to express your ideas in your own words. And then I think I can stop here so that you can have the time to read the lesson again and again and important points to be noted down. Okay? I think PDF I have sent. You might have made the notes of that. Okay? See you in the next class. Bye-bye.